Hey guys, welcome to Anima. My name is Kelly and I want to show you how to turn your designs into code. So here we are on the Anima homepage. We're going to go ahead and log into our account. Once you log in, you're brought to this page right here, which you'll find your teams on the left, and then when you have projects, they'll be right over here. But since we don't have any projects, what we're going to do is we're just going to use our sample project right here. That's going to just take a second to load. So we're actually going to go over to my personal team and open up this project that I've preloaded. Here will be all of the screens in the design. If you click on a screen, it will take you over to the Omni view. And so from Omni view, you're able to do a few different things. You can play the prototype, you can comment with your teammates, or you can get code like we're going to do right now. So when you toggle over to code mode, it opens up two panels down here on the bottom. We have HTML on the left and CSS right here on the right. If I click on an element, it will generate code for that element down here. I can also toggle over to React, just like that. And you can do that for any element on the screen, which is awesome. Open it up in CodePen right here, and you can copy, paste, edit, do whatever you want with it. It's yours to have. So that's that. What you'll want to do next is just upload your own project and sync it to Anima so you can turn your designs into code. If you have any questions, let us know. You can email us directly. Bye.